So we're trying Hellmann's new dipping sauces, and the first one is...
creamy bourbon barbecue.
We're going to try them on chips.
Ooh, all right, you take that. I'm going to do my own.
Okay. I like all.
What kind of chips are these?
Skinny Pops. Thank you, Skinny Pop. Oh, tangy.
Not bad.
It's not bad. It's a little fake tasting. This should be good like on some chicken or ribs if I ate ribs. What does it say?
I don't like it. What's next?
Roasted garlic.
Oh my God.
I gotta taste it.
Woo!
Nah.
Oh, my favorite. Cilantro. Might as well put a bar
Cilantro what?
of cilantro lime.
Oh, cilantro lime. Maybe it's good.
Might as well put a bar of... Remember we were supposed to shake those other two before we tried them?
Maybe. Maybe that was the problem, but I don't think so. We don't have to shake the mayo chup in the mayo cubes.
This seems like a direct... Hellmann's is like... We're not letting Heinz have all the action. With their sauces. Mayo cube, mayo chup, sriracha
That one I
chup.
don't mind. I kind of like that one.
No, it's like putting a bar of soap in your mouth. Exactly.
All right, I don't think it's like putting a bar of soap in your mouth. These aren't as good to me as the Heinz's, but I do like this cilantro lime one. I don't think it's too bad. I think it'd be good with fish. Does that what it said? Yeah.
Stick to mayonnaise, Hellmann's.